This na the Friendly Talk Show. My name na Mohammed Koma, commonly known as Big Mo. And this na my co-host, Amadou Fula. How you do, sir?
Fine, how I do? How I do? I'm Amadou Fula. Welcome to Friendly Talk Show. How the weekend?
Oh, thank God, I safe.
Fine. You know,
I don't know if you coached today because of the weather.
No, I don't come because of the weather. You know, say they cancel.
I know, because Mrs. F coming here, it be tough for me. And I hope say the beginning, all the do fine in the woman.
They do fine. You know, say holding house. You know, stop until they for going.
And that's so yeah. Remember when you get picking there, that's so you happy. You know, me said, he said they do fine,
Yeah.
And I don't join the gym because I need to lose some weight. You know, tell me that.
I just say, I mean, I target. I mean, I can't tell me say for I need for gonna do.
Yeah, you have to, man.
I need for gonna do.
Because says then tell now they gain more weight. Winter time now they gain more weight. Because we not get more activity there for doing that though.
That's true, babe.
But today we topic now about parenting. And I know say a father, and he said a father. We need for talk about a little bit things them, but things that way they happen in our community, in America, where we for change. Some of them stuff that we need for changing, and we go for do a better, and we'll become a better daddy then. So one of the thing that way I know they see like the parents them, some of them. I'm not gonna blame them too much as child, but. We go for did for picking them pretty much.
You're right.
By some man themselves, they miss school activity because of the work and all that, which I understand. But 10 out of 10 we need for to do things them for did for picking them the most time.
You're right. I mean, I agree with you. Now I grew up and somebody like me, like also experienced that day.
Right.
My parents not be involved about coaching, especially when you talk about
exactly.
school things. And I think now one thing that they will say, inside the salon community, it kind of like. Now obviously some parents, say, they get a job, but at the same time, other people they also get a job.
Right.
And associate they can also spend time for them picking them. The biggest thing, now this whole year, people say no, we forget back now the term.
Correct.
And by the same time, now you get for make time.
That's true.
Time now just they no more for say okay, hey, I there anytime you need me. You get for say okay, hey, I get my schedule. I get for do day from this time to this time I'm a job. We begin and get your own thing for do. Make up spend that time there. One thing we say we not ever all the grow up. They not ever say to is parenting. Right. Not to the easiest thing in the world.
We know.
Say, other thing then are more of a job, right? So they train you for them.
I understand, but now we don't learn from all learn topic in the. I believe so we now win at daddy then.
Not true.
I think so we will become a better dad.
Yes.
By going to beginning activities in a school and sports, all in the.
You're right. I mean, parents bonding, to me, I think it will be big,
Correct.
So where, let's say, some weekend them, right?
Yes,
you can take you picking them, to the movie theater. You can take you picking them, to a carnival if they get them, right? And then, say this country, I don't sit by season.
Yeah, vacation.
Right, yes, vacation.
All the things then.
Yeah, and I think it's good. It also good back if parents them. They give them picking them word of encouragement, or like sometimes we say I love you, or if you picking for say I want to do this, say I believe she for do them.
Yes, that's true.
No say not get negativity or
that's true.
Or if you picking, let's say if you didn't house you do something, right? Or you picking can say, mommy or daddy, I want for make you watch this tell with me. I don't want some parents and you say, but come on here, and then come on here.
Normally, it can be difficult because remember the person don't go do 8 hours in Peking because now America schools they how they do, especially Fairfax with MIDI. Then they force you to do homework with you in Peking. Because when they send you homework, they want to see your signature. So when they see your signature, they don't say okay, the party work is in Peking, which is a very important thing that we will look up to. And I believe say we will try our best for deal with Peking pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, you're right, but at the same time, I remember, I'll give you an example, right?
Right.
My small sister, Isabel,
Yeah.
within our house. So, me, my mama, my auntie, my cousin, we sit down around, we pick the plaza, etc. Right?
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, for cook.
So,
yeah, so that's it, and now get, and to me, honestly, Charles maybe like the first time, at least one time, we get like a bonding. So, we do for talk. My mama in the chat for try for defending your side,
right.
For say, the reason I may not be able to forget, like more time than with we because of a job, right? And so my small sister, I guess, in back, witness for say, the way how we mama be the work, we be get enough time for we. Also, at the same time, party there in your mama, don't witness down there around the salon community.
Okay.
So, just action, but just a general question. Why me putting the there? So, as I say, I said thing the election because.
What about small sister?
I think
that Adama, right?
Yeah, okay. As I said, the reason why me putting, so I said because of salon, the parent then focus more for pay the bill. I said, but at the same time, not to know that, but at the same time, I think they so also spend time
for balance.
Yes. And I mean, as I started, I jump.
Excited.
Now that excited,
okay.
He jumped with excitement like, man, you're right, you're so right. But they don't understand, they don't see it that way.
Right.
And like what is supposed to. I saw some friend with the audition, I have to say, well, now too bad because we work so much, we get time. But at the same time, friend them then get for spend time, especially we now young generation.
Yeah. I see something on Facebook yesterday. I nearly cried. Because the reason we can come up with this, it was so touching in a way that this speaking game back day, and mama go all out. This is a salon at the talk,
okay.
Not to America at the talk safe.
Okay.
So the lady named Rugiatu Bangoa, I remember her name. Rugiatu and Peking get back there. So he made clearly Peking go school. When the Peking go to school, now he go meet the teacher there, he talk with them. I count gift and birthday, they count in the classroom. The Peking cry because the Peking is so happy. It's like the parents did it for him. You see, some of them here that will look into. And as a parent, we try our best, and we know say things are tough for people in my year. But like you see, I go get to what you do, like example to Sierra Leone and Naya. If you didn't know if you would do all anything and if you can try your best. And my family, I don't want to forget to subscribe, share this message, and when I make una comments, we always in neutral. Like where would they do we pass on we message them with in neutral. We need to support no side. But we try no more for give an idea for see things the other way. Amadou, what you yourself say?
Yeah, you're definitely right. Even especially this topic here, we also want to express for say we understand say this country are easy.
Right.
Not like salon when you born in Peking, pretty much like the neighborhood they raising for you. But yeah, but say, you forget babysitter. Yes, babysitter, and then it costs money.
Right.
Especially this area also this.
Well, pretty much according to the census now $700 a month.
So imagine
and that's
if you get more than one kid.
For a typical Sierra Leonean, it's not easy for them.
No.
If you don't get my media, we do them for $10 a day, which is a very good help now the community. And when they pray for them, mama, and they let God give them long life in their body, then they help you a lot. And the one way they count them, mama, their mama, in this country for can help them for them, pick them, let God make them continue for them, so that things will be easy for we as a Sierra Leonean and then overseas.
Yeah, so Pamela, let's continue, the brother say, we understand say parent and then easy. But at the same time, we get for the make time for picking them.
Right.
Because we get for one for pass on that, that parents in there, for me pass on to the young picking them.
Generation to come.
Generation, yeah. Yes. So especially even I know for some most of the time Sierra Leone and them, they can just say no more, then care them mostly them picking the way they say is them, what time come, money time come, picking them was, boom, go to school, then push them out the door.
Right.
And come back, I did do not school, you do fine, good.
That's it.
And the same matter. Whereas them for go more into it, because psychology, a big thing.
Yes.
I think say people don't understand.
You're right.
It's really, really big because
Yeah.
it can affect. Imagine if you begin them, we will say, then in school, right?
Right.
Then they see them party, and they interact.
Right.
It more of them. You know, maybe somebody can say them. But I make even some begin them when they grow up.
I really agree with you on that.
Yeah, and then for handling sex, so maybe they make them even go to some type
Self-esteem,
of bad,
pretty
yeah,
much,
and
that
they
self-esteem,
They can
really-
go find a bad group, then can join.
Correct.
But if they get in canteen there, like we talk about Alex, like the vacation thing, you know,
Right.
if they can't change, they will say do more of a family bonding,
Yeah.
you know, even family reunion, you keep on kind of together.
Right.
And
It
they
help.
say-
It help a lot,
yes,
yes.
psychologists and they empower the beginning
Right.
for me then, even as they grow up, for me to establish themselves proper in the world. You
Right.
know, I know for say education are big, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But something that just say so a lot of- just tell us okay, if you do want to school, then no matter. You know, I think it will be beyond that.
Yeah, because the two parents and in the house, and they see what the pikin they do, and they monitor them, and they help. And talking about that again, I remember I began to African American young man work with, and if we don't get big pikin them back, we go for the monitor them.
You're right.
See what they do. One other guy now, so is this African American guy, let's talk about him first. Him in Peking, it puts a tracking device now in phone. You understand? So any side with the Peking day, it try for like a no side the Peking day. Okay. So this Peking, it talk to man on the phone.
Okay.
But the man don't know. So, but the guy they monitor him, they see any side with the Peking go. I even get the app on my phone. Any side with the Peking go, it is same. They call it 360 app.
Okay.
So the Peking, he go to our hotel, and the guy was like, damn, this Peking not supposed for dinner. So he call and the Peking not pick. And go to the hotel, he meets the Peking. It's on a man. So some of them tear all they arise. You know, and another guy again, it happened to him, and Peking isolates himself, but this all of them are Americans then. The Peking isolates himself now white kid. The guy right now they go all over America, they advocate on that. Meaning, you forgo you Peking, you get for check on him, what he do, allow him for let him express himself to you, and then allow him be a friend with her.
You're right. You know what? The funny way to say it, but actually say what that man is trying to be because you know it make me remember. I get flashback when I was small.
Right.
We be doing that. Old school come out. You know what? Say when we party, it was knocking in our house. So they get man there, you know.
I know boys game.
But yeah. So you know, but like what you say, right? Because if imagine if we get a kind, you know, that kind of thing, they first they point the monitor, they make sure they do, you know,
yeah.
We stay away from that kind, you know, that kind of thing. And they call that about earlier parenting, right? If we parent them, okay, you know, let's say at the age of 10 or even 12, let's say 12, right?
Right.
Then we give for you know,
Monitor.
talk to you, monitor and talk to you, but you know, about how
About life.
yes, and even abstinence, right? For say, okay, we don't want, you know, say yes, you don't begin for going to, you know, the teenage year. Right, and you can't begin for feel some type of different hormone they can for kick in
Correct.
for woman, and the same thing back for woman and back for man.
Yeah.
So talk to them and people say, hey, I want for make because no parent talking for stop anybody from making not going to that what's that intimacy side.
Right.
But at least give you picking them proper, not afraid for talk to you picking them but that is somebody can afraid for talk to them picking them.
I understand, but again, the picking of you not for make the picking fear for can talk to you.
Yes, you're right.
You get for make it feel free for talk to you. And then a couple of things they will need for learn from or for me we picking and learn from we. Learn and learn not lie.
Right.
That's one.
Right.
Learn about for making not thief. Because if you see begin thief now house, they can't go on the streets. And when you can't go on the streets, no problem. And then you always be trying to be honest. And American picking and that will lie. And when you say they lie, you don't know say they lie. Because they team. So that make me why they treat me picking, why they talk to them, and they make sure see we talk. When you do bad, and they tell you what you make enough fine what you do so. And they try to explain you for next time. Because me, I nearly one day I met Fatima line on between me and me first speaking line on between me because the reason why I make a call all in here, Fatima do something. If you say I ask her, Fatima, would I do this? He say, look, daddy, not to me. would I do this? Not to me. I ask her so many times, he insist. I dey left am. I no say no to him. Because why I ask her something? If na him do am, as soon as I ask her, so daddy na me do, I say why you do am? Oh daddy, I'm sorry, I'm not go do it again. I say okay, I say but not do it again. Usido, I explain them. I say this is wrong. You know for do this. Now so if I go, now so if I go, you say okay, daddy.
Right.
And it's kind best for them hot me feeling.
You're right. You're right. I mean, I remember.
I hope say now so you say the.
No, me and the and I'm planning.
And you are not saying that strict parents.
Right now, I'm parents more right now, but I'm planning this for make sure say I tell them for say. And but I don't even for that. I don't for children and say when something when you do that, I say listen, I don't care what you do, just tell me for say let me do them. You know,
right.
If you do them, tell me. And
we
so,
work on them.
Yes, and they do it now. So now they do them. And I remember also my uncle in back he you know he raised some beginning, right? So he also makes sure say tell them, right? Or say, you know, because the beginning they free them mama.
Right.
So apparently then they can't do. And you know, your uncle is a nice man, so you can always, you know, what you say lively.
They talk to the people.
Yeah. So you picking them feel so to the point of saying they feel more comfortable for can't talk to them, then they go talk to them because they feel saying the man is so stern, you know what I mean? That you know go if they ask and say for say one for good or party or she go say no.
Yes.
So the party say yes, but be honest with me.
Right.
You know, if now they go and they stay, tell me exactly what you go and what you go do.
Correct.
You know, so even if there's something maybe there's something illegal,
right?
You know, make I know. So at least I go for say okay, I go tell you for say no, I don't make it. If even I didn't do you can go there, but I'm not involved panel.
Right.
I mean,
right.
So in case something can happen, let's say policeman and call them. So at least the parent go get idea, but say okay, me pick me tell me that day, but say yes.
It make a lot of sense.
So I just say you know, parent them for the share that know them picking them for say you know, I don't know what you do. Right. You know, not be afraid for kind and tell me. So even if you do something wrong, tell me. You know.
You're right on that note, Amadu.
Yeah.
Well, my family, when I read this topic, una don't forget for share, subscribe now YouTube channel, and we're on Facebook, and make a comment and leave a comment. We want to become a better people and we want to educate with people. Especially with Sierra Leonean community in the diaspora. So I want to thank you for listening to me and God bless you now. Family, when I do, welcome back to the family and to the Friendly Talk Show again. The other topic I get today now about parenting and sports, meaning when we get sports, we parents and because I know say you don't experience this one way at the top. We're in a wide topic.
Now why?
I know for sure you don't. You now one of the only reason make us see I thought about this. I know see you now a victim.
Yes.
Am I wrong?
No, you're right. You're right. You know, so
I want to explain to family.
Right,
may they understand exactly how they come up from, so that they know exactly. Let them know happen to.
The future one.
The future picking them.
Right. Yeah, so basically, you know, family, you know, we understand since our salon community, right? You know, we Sierra Leonean, we like soccer, football, we like sports, mostly, but mostly, you know, football. And of course, you know, we can, you know, all Monday night TV, they watch, you know, especially Premier League, right? But on the other side of it is, you know, we get picking them. Right, it was always down for play the sports, especially now in United States here. And parents then they not can support them picking them, and you know just like coaching what I most say, you know, me and one of them victim in there. You know, I play soccer now I was small, but not to me parents take me to the practice, not to me they take me to the game, not to me they take me to tournament. You know, luckily, you know, I became a coach where I guess understanding, right? Then they pick me up, and you know it because they see me what they small, you know. They pick me up for practice.
Drop me off.
Yeah, they drop me off. You know, so we also don't realize that for saying that's for me. I mean, I coach, right? And he said I coach,
right?
And as a father, I'm like my father. I can give an example. You know, I get one salon picking na my team, right? In Papa, you know, so they want you know, in Papa, involve Pine Picking. But of course, going back to what we talked about even earlier, right? It's Papa, it work.
Right.
Right?
They make time
They make time for the picking. So it call the picking, you know, in a practice. And if you know, even if you need for cut in a practice, right? It call somebody, yes, either in big sister or in big brother or other family member for me to count on a practice or if in a game, if nobody it call it tell me to make a reach out to one of the parents and say, hey, you know, nobody need ride when I came for get right.
Right.
You know, and for me that did not happen to me. And like what you said earlier,
right.
Psychologically, it really
it mess you up
because where are they going at the game there, right? Are they see them, you know, my party in family, my mama, papa, they all they watch it, they cheer for the beginning. It really messed me because I wish I could be get on there. You know what I mean?
Amadou, I understand exactly what you go through. And even me too, I get picked up with the pick. Where they take them and the mama host them for kind of feel.
You're right.
For kind of practice. And after practice, now me they can drop them. And then game time, now me they pick them and drop them. Alex. I get one go they call Alex. You sabi him?
Yes, yeah.
Alex, they try to make sure saying mama they na each game we go play. Because the reason make her say so, they might make you want go where they shame for asking. But in a me, it send Alex, say Alex, tell coach here I want go watch you where they play. The Boboki say, okay, mom, I'll talk to coach. And when he talk to me, sometimes like he say, okay. I say, but tell me earlier, I know, so that's I don't know say I count him, mama. He say, okay. So he tell me, I count him, mama. That nobody if he score, if he won't go meet him, mama, Kisa, he come back on the field. You know, the reason we could say all in here, Amadou, wait, I'm only said na the BD. That's why they sit down so the white man and the guy can pick you. You're gonna feel for good three. We get game back. That's why they sit down, they watch you, that's them mean I'm in Mungu first in America. I just can't enter the day. So because the reason we can say so, I don't want it happen again to beyond generation to come. Okay, let's say we don't go, we go do this or picking. Let it continue.
You're right.
Because I understand the parents say I know say they get for work, they get for pay bills them. Some man say one job not they do for them. Two jobs they do just for make ends meet. Which I understand. But guess what? That with man when they make you all in and then they make time for them picking them. At least the weekend. Me on picking says when I'm picking Momaya. I did make sure say I go back each practice and game. If I never make her a calling coach, I say coach, I'm not going to make her my title. It can't. It tell me say okay, mommy, I the picker. It can't picker. But I will make sure say me picking good. So I hope and pray what our parents them they will encourage. We will encourage them to do that. Not to buy food. So I know say the bills them we get for pay for the bills them. We get for do other things them. In America, some community then they win games and they turn they shut down just for go watch that game.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
And you are not saying going to like end like that West Virginia side in America.
Yeah. I mean, what be there at West Virginia University?
Right.
Man, I mean, honestly, I'm not ever experiencing which I experience over there in the weekend for football, especially football. I'm kind of big, you know, the biggest sport in the United States.
Oh yeah.
What say football? What game day? First, the traffic light there,
right?
They turn on to yellow.
So that's it. You know they stop.
Yeah. So everything they go. And you feel them, you really feel, you feel for Sebe, you don't know for Sebe, spot day.
Yes.
They turn the quiet. And where the area, where the game they go, where they hear that echo noise, guess what? They tell us say at the stadium now on Monday.
Okay.
And the stadium now, everything shut down. If I'm going to the store,
everybody in that stadium.
I know that stadium.
And if you win, let's say what's I can understand. If the one of the biggest star of the team, where they can at the tongue, they hail all anything they happen. All and they come up with parenting because the parents are always one seed and picking and they play. Do you have a family? I mean, the big Sierra Leonean community in a year and the diaspora. You did Canada now, any side in the world. As long as you don't do commerce alone, you don't know small. No, we help picking them for sports. No, supports them. Psychologically, it help. And psychologically, they kill them back. Most parents then need show up now the beginning game there. These are the talk of million people them. Spanish man, You need to make better money. Some man not get paper safe when pikin they gonna feel. In they gonna feel when pikin they play.
Yeah, you're right.
You understand? All that thing we don't see am. So do you me and the beg me people them. Do you una not forget for subscribe. Now share this message. Una make una comments them. And the reason make we see so long and make una comments them. We will become a better people. And we want to share more messages into the community and the diaspora as a whole, because this message they make sure say go on the whole world. We any time we see alone and they make sure say this message reach there. So dear the family, we now we try. We picking there now we investment. Now we invest in them.
You're right. You're right. You're definitely right. You know, so Fambo then we get for make sure say, you know, we involve, you know, how we picking them, especially for sports. Because nobody say, you know, are we picking them want for play sports for Sunday, not can even want for sale because then we say, you know, anytime they talk to me, I ask me for play, they will say no. I can give you an example as me on. Because remember, you know, they were out with Monday to show me that coach you become small.
Right.
Now me Paddy I introduced me to him, right?
Okay.
So I remember I go tell him, man, say, you know, I want to play, you know, football.
Yeah, they call it soccer.
Yeah. So now tonight he say okay, he say but I'm not going to forget time. I say okay, but I say boy, you know, get for cost money. And I say well, you know, go happy. So, you know, now go tell, you know, so now tell me coach, I say this and I say mama say no go forget time, I also no go for pay. So then coach say okay, he say no, he say but how about you? He say you want for play? Now say yes, I want for play. It's okay, fine. He say you want for play, at the time this, I go pick you up here, I go pick you up. And but at the same time,
because you see potential for you then.
Yeah. So now remember we talk about, you know, grassroots within a salon.
Correct.
So and that's how be small. So imagine I mean, people ever say they go to run in a salon and the salon community, you know. So, Pambola, we need for make sure say we take with time, right, and we get involved by picking them the sports, go to the game, not just say no mommy picking the play.
That's true.
Because yes, you picking the play, but at the same time, if you picking, let's show up, they see you. Even if you picking at the highest goal scorer on that team, there, you not gonna know how they feel inside if they see you.
Well, not go far. I want to give just quick example about LeBron James. LeBron James, where they play, his mama not ever go watch him when they play.
Wow.
He will want to jump na window just for go play basketball. So one day I said, people want to tell left an house. He escape for go do this. I said, see that father my lad go see he play. Now his mama go see what they hail him begin. I say, what? He said, this lad don't sit down. So the mommy step up. You know, because I be single parent and telling them, just let put to this so a single parent. But guess what? We see do am. Any say another one already go with him. They like to say LeBron James are one of the biggest stars in the world.
Yeah.
You know.
And you're right. I mean, because even about one documentary, but matter, you know, that
the Brazilian.
And I found out for say, you know, Brazilian as much as they good for football, they don't care about woman football. I mean, I'm not for going to, you know, countryside, we can always say that it was happening in other countries.
Yeah,
but anyway, so that matters, they say when they go for good play.
And I believe they play with boys then.
Yes. So maybe they even beat them.
Wow.
Yes. You know, but say, you know, for make you go play sports in general, for go stick na us for cook and kind of thing. And I think say in similarities, how like in a so back, you know, salon people then they like for women and for just stay into sports. Women they also play. Yeah. You know, because just like you know, you go gap picking back gap.
Oh yeah.
You know, but at the same time, you know, all of what we talk about saying now is family is, you know, we get for stick, you know, get for show support to picking them.
Yeah.
Because just like what you know, what I must say, psychologically, it really big.
Yeah.
A big part we human being them. Even we as adults, you know, we say they enjoy it, you know, especially you know, stress. Yeah. Now part of psychology, we say they mess you up. So
that's true.
We get for make sure say we did it for picking them and show support. You know, get involved. Use all your resources you get. If you picking say you want to play, you know, soccer, you want to play baseball, any other sport. Yes. Use your resources, they went on the internet and see what's in the local and help them and get involved for say I want to get me picking involved by this. Yes. How much it go cost and take the name because I know some people will say they can call me and say I want me picking for play, but I don't go. I'm not going for able for take up. You know, and my brother and one day for say you do only for Boku.
Oh yeah, you brother, I don't see you get the van where they take people picking and drop them. Ah, you get patient. Let God help for that. Me family. Oh, you want?
No, guys.
I don't want to cut you off.
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me family. This segment they can't to an end. Always love each other. This is the key thing. Love one another. Love be there for everybody. Love be there for each other, and all anything that they help, no matter what. Or for the support yourself as a Sierra Leoneans, as a brother, as a family. Don't forget for subscribe, for share this video, and make a comment, and one become a better TV show in our community for enlightening with Sierra Leonean community in the diaspora. Because it's not easy. We say the try we best. Now this we can give to we people then. So wanna subscribe a lot and share this video. On Facebook, if you get Twitter self, put on the back. You get TikTok here because TikTok is not the big one. So there the people that wanna love and not forget. Sierra Leone now only country that who get. Yeah, we there, we're not stranger in her. And it treats you like one. And Sierra Leone, now we learn. Now they we love. Now they will come out. Now they will born. So therefore let we serve. And one day we will smile again. And we were born in the 70s, we know. And the one who born in the 90s, they self know. So that what that, wanna subscribe, wanna share with message, and wanna make una comments them. Anything una not like but this show wanna make a known to we. Anything una like wanna make a known to we. We get the positive and the negative side. We're just human beings. Like everybody, we make mistake, we're not perfect. And we not care for can tell you say that this is for you. We just say good idea, follow and know waiting. How for parents you picking and be there, especially campus sports. Make sure say you always did it for your picking. And do ya don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And God bless you when you watch me. And God bless Mama Salon. And God bless the United States of America who we did. And Amadou, any last word?
Peace.